Great story about a retired firefighter and his two sons and a '69 Jeep they spent years trying to restore. Sadly, they couldn't finish the restoration after their father passed away. But as NBC4's Tony Shin explains, that classic car is now cruising down the streets of Corona thanks to a group of high school students from Corona High.
When he wasn't fighting fires in Riverside County, CAL FIRE Captain Shane Porter would most likely be in the garage with his two sons, Michael and Tim, restoring this 1969 Jeepster Commando.
He saw this Jeep and he thought it would be a great family project.
Shane's wife, Tigger, says her husband wanted a special way to bond with his sons because he knew time wasn't on his side.
He was diagnosed with bladder cancer in the early 2000s. And we were actually told by the doctors, make this your last Christmas because you're not going to get any more. And 12 and a half years later, you know, he was still kicking.
And still trying to restore this Jeepster until he became too sick to work on it anymore.
January 9th, 12:15, my husband passed away.
That was in 2022. At the time, Tigger and her sons didn't know what to do with the Jeepster until family friend Bob Mauger stepped in.
And I saw the Jeep sitting in the garage and asked Tigger about it and told me the story that, you know, Shane had purchased it and they were working on it together. And I thought that would be a great opportunity for my students to finish the restoration for the family.
Bob is the automotive instructor at Corona High School.
Told them the story and they actually said, we have to do this project for the family.
But it wouldn't be easy. The Jeepster needed a lot of work.
The engine had problems with it. The interior was a complete mess, dirty, no dashboard on it.
The amount of time they put in and extra hours, we were here after school.
But just over a year after starting the restoration, the students finally finished it and presented the Jeepster last week to the Porter family, including Shane's son, Tim.
As soon as I saw it, it was just basically a dream come true. It was just incredible that they were able to come together as a team and work on it.
And finish the job that Fire Captain Shane Porter began in 2016. A project he started with his two sons, but was finished by a group of students. Shane would have most certainly been proud to call his own.
It's just to have a little bit of dad, and that's what this means. That's what this means.
Tony Shin, NBC4 News.